Hello everyone, welcome to the forexbot.com. This is Victor with you. It's Tuesday and we will have update on the Australian versus New Zealand currency pair. Before we start, all the information is for education purpose only, should not be considered as a financial advice. What we had is the stop loss at break even, but this trade gets validated once again. So it is valid idea and I still expect this move to be towards our targets. So the trade is valid. Once again, any small pullback will provide a good entry, good opportunity. So as per original idea, we will remain short on Australian versus New Zealand dollar. So that's all what I wanted to say in regards to this pair. And just a quick run up through all the previous ideas that we had. Oldest was Canadian Japanese yen. The exit would be the daily close above this high. I am watching actually this price action and we need the daily close below this price 77.55. Then the idea will become valid. Well, it is valid, but I'm just watching if there will be an exit signal. So for now, still valid idea. Swiss franc, Japanese yen, valid idea since we are holding this resistance. Euro, Australian dollar, we are moving towards the target. The stop loss at break even is optional, but now you can actually place it at the entry point because we are already in profit. Some profit fixing is good. New Zealand Swiss franc, also another idea where in profit there is quite a lot for this upside move. We already moved quite a bit. It was substantial move. If we move 30-minute chart, or 15-minute chart, I would expect price to correct. Perhaps slightly, maybe on the 5 minutes or lower time frame, we can retest the moving averages. So stop loss below the moving averages or the break even point, also good idea. Now, finally, Euro, New Zealand dollar, we almost got to the target. So here, stop loss at break even as well. The entry was at this high here, and it was pretty fast move. Although I think it will be there will be a breakout and price will move even more down, but on most of the trades, we have stop loss at break even, all in profit. Some profit taken is good idea. So consider what you need to do based on your risk profile. Thank you all for watching. We will have new idea tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button if you made some profit. Thank you guys and talk to you tomorrow.